Good morning, I'm Loven Contracting Safety Manager. Welcome to our first aid series. This is a collection of shorts discussing basic but important first aid. Let's talk tourniquets. A tourniquet is a medical device that stops severe bleeding. Contrary to popular belief, modern tourniquets, when applied properly, do not necessarily mean that the limb will need to be amputated. It's important to know how to identify life-threatening bleeding. Life-threatening bleeding is any bleeding that spurts, is bright red, and cannot be stopped with light pressure. If you're unsure if it's life-threatening bleeding, it's always better to apply a tourniquet and then have a doctor remove it. To apply a tourniquet, loop the red-colored end through the buckle and slide the tourniquet up the injured limb. Slide it to the highest possible point. Tighten the tourniquet as much as possible with the Velcro. This step is the most important. This initial tightening is crucial. Once all the way tightened, twist the windlass rod until the bleeding stops. This will hurt the patient. Finally, secure the windlass rod into the clip and wrap the remainder of the Velcro strap over the rod. Congratulations, you've put on a tourniquet. Please seek emergency medical attention.